Welcome back to Auto Drives Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in American muscle car history, a beast that has captured the hearts of enthusiasts for decades. The all-new 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Get ready, because this isn't just a car, it's a statement of raw power, precision engineering, and pure driving excitement. The 2026 Shelby GT500 takes everything we loved about the previous generation and cranks it up to an entirely new level. At the heart of this monster lies a re-engineered 5.2-liter supercharged V8, now pushing an astonishing 780 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. Ford's engineers have optimized the supercharger for faster response, improved cooling, and enhanced durability, giving drivers not just more power, but a sharper and more thrilling acceleration. This translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest Mustangs ever built. But speed is nothing without control, and the new Shelby GT500 delivers in every way. Ford has worked extensively on the chassis and suspension setup, featuring a revised MagneRide adaptive damping system that constantly adjusts to road conditions for maximum grip and stability. The car's aerodynamic design has also been refined with a larger carbon fiber rear wing, an aggressive front splitter, and resculpted side skirts to keep it planted at high speeds. Every curve, every vent, and every surface has been shaped with performance in mind. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends race-inspired elements with modern luxury. Premium leather and Alcantara adorn the seats, while carbon fiber trim accents give the interior an unmistakable performance vibe. The 2026 model also introduces a fully customizable 13-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive 15.5-inch infotainment display, powered by Ford's latest SYNC5 system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for those moments when you're not listening to the symphony of that supercharged V8. Technology plays a big role in the new Shelby GT500, not just in comfort, but also in performance. Ford Performance has integrated advanced drive modes, including track, drag, and custom, allowing drivers to fine-tune throttle response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and exhaust sound. There's also an enhanced launch control system and line lock feature for the perfect quarter-mile run. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The 2026 GT500 comes equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. This means you can enjoy every bit of its performance, while still having the latest driver assistance features at your disposal. From the outside, the 2026 Shelby GT500 looks more aggressive than ever. The redesigned front fascia with its massive grille openings ensures optimal airflow to the engine and cooling systems, while the sleek LED headlights give it a menacing, modern look. The wide stance, muscular fenders, and available carbon fiber wheels not only improve performance but also make a bold visual statement. And of course, you can't miss the signature Cobra emblem proudly displayed, reminding everyone that this isn't just any Mustang, it's the king of the stable. Ford will offer the new Shelby GT500 in a range of striking colors, including the exclusive Grabber Lime Metallic, Velocity Blue, and Shadow Black. Customers can also opt for racing stripes, carbon fiber packages, and performance brake upgrades to tailor the car to their exact style and driving needs. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the adrenaline, and the connection between driver and machine. It's a car built for those who crave the thrill of the open road and the roar of a true American V8. So, what do you think of the new Shelby GT500? Is this the ultimate modern muscle car? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Ford's latest performance icon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Drives Cars for more exciting car reviews and updates.